chicken breast, cut into desired pieces, 3 eggs, beaten, and so they're hurting. Panko breadcrumbs, that's the breadcrumbs that I like. No flour. A lot of people use flour, don't need it. So just put the chicken breast straight into the egg, chuck it onto the panko, and then roll around. Well, you don't roll around, but roll the chicken around just to coat it. But you could still roll around. Just put it on a plate and just repeat 50 million times until it's all done. Look at that. Yummy. Chuck in some butter. Harder. That's the stuff. Now put in your little nugs. And we'll just cook them on medium heat until they're golden. Flip them over. Oh, look at that. Good looksy, good looksy. Look at that. Golden yumminess. And that's it, you're done. Simple dimple. Look at that. Golden, crispy, holy moly. Enjoy. Simple cooking.